Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Decluttered. In this episode, let's look at one interesting inequalities question that I came across. What's given in the question is a1 is equal to 1 and for all values of n being an integer greater than 1, an is equal to an minus 1 plus 1 by an minus 1. We have to find the range or the minimum and maximum value of a75. Pause this video for a couple of minutes, try solving it yourself and then come back to me for an interesting solution. Alright, given that you have tried this question, what we can see is an minus 1 is 1 by an minus 1. So we can write this in form of a telescopic series starting from a1 going all the way up to a75. And when we add the terms, let's say we do a2 minus a1 is 1 by a1, a3 minus a2 is 1 by a2, and as we keep listing all the terms, we will have an expression like this. Now, when I add these terms, we'll see that the terms keep getting cancelled and I will be left with a75 minus a1 is summation 1 by ai, where I is equal to 1 to 74. Now, had we known this, the question would have been solved. Unfortunately, we don't, and this part is what is troubling us. How do we remove that part? Let's look at it. We know that an is equal to an minus 1 plus 1 by an minus 1. So, if I square both sides, I have an square is equal to an minus 1 square plus 1 by an minus 1 square plus 2. And I can say an square minus an minus 1 square is equal to 2 plus 1 by an minus 1 square. Now, we know for a fact that an minus 1 square is greater than 1, an minus 1 square is always greater than 1, greater than 0, but it will be less than 1. So, we can say that an square minus an minus 1 square is greater than 2 but is less than or equal to 3. Alright. So once we have this with us, we can do the telescopic series and say that a75 square minus a1 square is greater than 74 into 2 is less than or equal to 74 into 3, because we have listed it down 74 times as we saw in the previous case. And a1 square is 1, so a75 square is greater than 74 into 2 is 148 plus 1 is less than or equal to 222 plus 1. So a75 is greater than 149 square but less than or equal to square root of 223, and that's how you get the minimum and maximum value for this problem. This is a little difficult because we don't know how do we write the range for this. Yes, we can use AM and HM, but that will give us one side of the relation and does not necessarily give us both the sides of the relation.